English pronunciation. Epizeuxis, repetition of word or phrase in quick succession. Epizeuxis. Stress on the third syllable, the zu syllable. English pronunciation. Epizeuxis, repetition of word or phrase in quick succession. Epizeuxis. Stress on the third syllable, the zu syllable. English pronunciation. Epizeuxis, repetition of word or phrase in quick succession. Epizeuxis. Stress on the third syllable, the zu syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.